Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, let's learn food action words in English. This action is called slicing the tomato. Slicing means cutting the tomato into thin pieces. This action is called chopping the onion. Chopping means cutting the onion into small pieces. This action is called peeling the banana. Peeling means removing the banana skin easily. This action is called grating the carrot. Grating means shredding the carrot using a grater. This action is called crushing the garlic. Crushing means pressing the garlic to break it into small bits. This action is called dicing the carrot. Dicing means cutting the carrot into small cubes. This action is called shredding the cabbage. Shredding means cutting the cabbage into thin strips. This action is called filleting the fish. Filleting means removing the bones from the fish. This action is called coring the apple. Coring means removing the hard center of the apple. This action is called halving the kiwi. Halving means cutting the kiwi into 2 equal parts. This action is called segmenting the orange. Segmenting means separating the orange into segments. This action is called squeezing the lime. Squeezing means pressing the lime to extract the juice. This action is called de-seeding the papaya. De-seeding means removing the seeds from inside the papaya. This action is called shucking the corn. Shucking means removing the corn husk easily. This action is called mashing the banana. Mashing means crushing the banana into a soft paste. This action is called shelling the peas. Shelling means removing peas from their pods. This action is called kneading the dough. Kneading means pressing, folding, and stretching the dough with hands. This action is called rolling the dough. Rolling means flattening the dough using a rolling pin. This action is called peeling. Peeling means removing the outer skin of vegetables like potatoes. This action is called blending the fruits. Blending means mixing fruits into a smooth mixture using a blender. This action is called garnishing. Garnishing means decorating food for a beautiful presentation. Now, let's recap. In this lesson, we explored essential kitchen action words that enhance your English vocabulary. These include slicing, chopping, peeling, grating, crushing, dicing, shredding, filleting, coring, halving, segmenting, squeezing, de-seeding, shucking, mashing, shelling, kneading, rolling, blending, and garnishing. Practice using these words in your daily kitchen activities. Using them in conversations will help reinforce your learning. Now, let's try a quick practice quiz. What action means cutting into thin pieces? Which action removes the outer skin? Which action cuts food into small cubes? Which action involves pressing food? If you know the answers, comment the answers below. Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing your vocabulary. Subscribe to Bright Learners for more English lessons.